Okay, Justin, what are you doing?
Doing this.
Yeah, what does that do? Okay, I think that's good now. Take the bolt off.
I can't.
Do it again. Pull it out. Okay, take that little sleeve. Now get your training wheel, look. Get your training wheel here. I'll fix it onto the bolt there, good. Now put on that washer. No, the washer. You know the washer, the little ring?
Where?
It's there, yeah. Put that ring first.
I can't.
You can keep trying. You can keep trying. Okay, let me help you. Let me help you. Okay, put the washer again. Put the washer again, baby. And then put this one in slowly. I'll hold it for you. Okay. Now, you locked it. Now turn it. Let me help you. So once you lock it, you turn it. Go. There you go. Okay, now get the tool. Get your socket wrench.
What else?
You gotta flip the switch.
Yes.
And you want to turn it clockwise.
This way?
Yes. Bring it back. Turn it. Again. Okay, stop for a sec. Very good. So now it's ready, right? Good job, Justin.
I can ride it.
You want to ride it? But look, we have no pedals.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, we'll get the pedals, okay?